Pizza, pizza is our favorite treat. Let's hurry, pizza is so yummy to eat. Let's make pizza, yummy pizza. A big, round, delicious, crispy pizza. We love pizza, pizza is our favorite treat. Let's hurry, pizza is so yummy to eat. Roll the dough, roll the dough, roll the dough. Roll and toss and stretch the dough. Pat the dough, put it in a pan. Pat, 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 pat with your little hands. Pour some sauce, pizza sauce. Pour it so nicely all over the top. Spread the sauce all over with a spoon. Our pizza will be ready to eat real soon. Get the cheese, shred some cheese. If you like it stretchy, add some more, please. Sprinkle all the toppings that you like. Mushrooms, olives, peppers make pizza taste nice. Bake the pizza in the oven. The oven's hot, never, never put your hands in. When the dough's crispy and the cheese has melted nicely, we'll take the pizza out and have a pizza party. We'll take the pizza out and have a pizza party. We'll take the pizza out and have a pizza party.
Hi kids! We hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you! Bye-bye!